isa na lang sa kada 10 Pilipino po ang talagang tumututok dito sa impeachment. Parang base po sa kanilang rhythm ay marami na raw na naiinip. So yan ba isa sa dahilan kung bakit as much as possible ayaw niyo nang ipahabain?
Well, unang-una, isang anggulo na po pwede natin ma-derive from that is that ang taong bayan, na sila, convinced na sila na talagang ang may ginawang kasalanan constituting betrayal of public trust and culpable violation of the
So
Constitution.
enough na yun sa inyo?
Maaring yun na yun. Maaring made up na rin yung mind nila. We don't need to hear or listen to any witnesses because so far we have already convinced that there's really that violation against the Constitution that constitute removal of removal of the Vice President from office. It could be that angling, no? Pero
Okay,
kaya
pwede.
sinasabi namin, sinasabi din natin na ito ay constitutional duty, no? So ibig sabihin, whether people listen to it, people would actually would actually find it boring, whatever, no? Ito ay constitutional duty na kailangan natin gampanan at kailangan natin pong make sure na hanggang dulo ay ang ating Senado ay mag-decide,
Matapos
no? At
niyo, opo.
kanila pong matapos ito.
Kong,